children, this is Karthik, skating master, San Academy Group of School.
Hi children, myself Magesh, skating master, San Academic Group of Schools. Today we'll teach you the beginners warm up. Okay. Now Karthik and my junior will show you what warm up you have to do before starting skates. Okay.
Initially, first in basic, you have to first rolling short. See,
Little bit fold your legs and jog.
okay. After jogging over, the first exercise, listen to master. Open, close. Really? Open, hand and put leg. Each warm up 10 count. Next exercise,
Up squat.
up squat and straight. Sit, up, sit, up, sit, up, sit, up, like that. Now third warm up. Open your leg, cross touch. Don't bend your knees, bend your body and touch your toe. Two legs and like this. Leg like this, back side. Next, bend back stretch. Fourth warm up. Body will be straight. Stretch maximum. And change your leg. And rotation forward. Near to head, rotate. And backward. Next, hands back, vibration. Fifth form of vibration. Next, toe jump. Slowly you jump near toe and maximum. That's all, children.
Today we'll show you how to lose your forward wheels and you can learn the V-shape pushing. Okay, we'll teach you how to do that. Before that, you have to be very confident in last class style what we taught. Okay, the bend forward and jogging will teach you that last class. Okay, you have to be very confident in that. Then only you have to go for this type. Okay. Initially you have to lose your forward wheels. Okay, front wheel only you can unlock it.
Then only you have to use to push your leg in V shape.
Yes. Forward wheels only you have to lose. Backward you should not lose your wheels. Okay, because you will fall down. That's why. Okay.
Now, basic question bend.
Keep your skates in
V shape.
basic question bend. Keep your skates in V shape.
V for band like that.
Okay, V shape. Okay, keep your skates in V shape. Okay.
And look straight. And
Now start and push your skates in V shape style.
forward push like this. Slowly you push your leg like this.
V shape you have to push your skates.
Eyes will look straight and the hands back or front like this. Push your leg.
First slowly start.
Push your leg like this. And look straight, do it, you know.
Then you can swing and push your skates.
Left, right, you have to swing your arms. This is action for the basic.
The bending position is very important part of this basic skating.
The V shape is very important in basic level, only easy to skate.
V-shape
Easy to
pushing.
learn. V shape pushing. See your leg, how to push. V shape. Like this. Eyes will look straight and push your leg like this. Forward push. You have to bend your body nicely. Okay, children?
After completing your skating practice, you have to compulsory do the warm down or pull down.
Pull down.
It's called. Okay. We'll show you what and all warm down you have to do it now. Okay, first you have to catch your one leg toe by forward. Keep your one leg forward and catch your toe. This is one leg touch.
Then count, then change your leg. Change your leg.
Lift your toe and catch it.
Change. Body fully bending. Touch your
Touch your
toe.
both leg toes.
Change.
And legs back. Catch your leg back.
Catch your leg back side and hold.
And hold for 10 seconds.
Change. Change. Touching hand near to chest cover. Change. Change. Sit down.
Now sit and catch your toe. You should look down.
Head down.
Head down.
Change. One leg outside fold and touch your toe. Change.
Each workout
10
5 to
count.
10 seconds.
Change. Do the butterfly. Very important exercise. Warm down class is the butterfly.
This is butterfly. And change. Next one is asana.
Asana. Kneel down on your thighs. Okay, get up. Okay, children. Take care. Bye bye. Hi, children. Today I teach basic beginners level. Let's start, children. Initially, you have to start with warm up. Ready, children? Slowly jog. Ready, children? First warm up. Have to open, close. Let's see, children. Open, close. Each stand and set. Each warm up. Next. Now front back stretch your leg. Change. Now jumping. Slowly jump. Toe jump. Reach maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, children? Now put the basic skate. Thank you. Ready, children? Now you have the skating kit. Today we will learn in standing basic position how to swing your arms, sliding and vibration. Ready, children? First you start basic position. Keeping the chin here and look straight, and how to swing your arm. Now show you how to swing your arms. Near to nose you have to fold your elbow. Do slowly, children. Only learn easy to skate. After finish your basic position, now you do the straight back. Vibration. Hands back, now you do the vibration, children. In standing you have to do it. Hands back, now do the vibration. Then only you learn the balance. After finish your vibration, now I show you V shape and basic position like this. And V shape, do the sliding. Start. Hands back. V shape slide, children. Then only V shape pushing. Now do the like this, children. V shape body bending and do V shape and do sliding. In standing, no moving your skate. In standing, like that, do it. Ready, children? Today we'll learn basic position and how to swing your arms and in standing, vibration and sliding children. Ready children? After finish your practice, you go for cool down class. The first cool down class. Ready children? Let's see. Relax your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Each count 10 counts enough. And hands down and free your body and breathe in, breathe out. Relax, okay. Change. And open your leg, twist your body nicely. One. Right side to left side to right side. Okay children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Emma. 3. Twist your body color. 4, 5. Change. Next, cycling children. You have to let down your body fully and you have to slowly cycling. How to cycle? No, like this do. Slowly you have to do the cycling children. Knee rise and down. Knee rise and down children. This is a warm down class. It's very important children. If you do the warm down class, you relax your body. Children, change. Next, after butterfly, slowly fly, butterfly. Both legs, both knees have to fly children, nicely. Change. Now do the Vajrasanam. Also, you have to head down, kneel down and children, after very important in a warm down class, you have to finish your warm down class, then back a kick children. Bye bye, take care.